Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to shift your domain name from your hosting from the domain name, how to change the name servers of the Namecheap and to your Hostinger account. So this is the domain that I have taken. You can see marketingtoolshost.com. So this is the new domain that I have taken. You can see it's purchased on 2020 active. So and I need to now transfer. This is I have added this website. These are other domains which I actually help people in hosting. So what I'm gonna do is at very cheap rates. These domains are very hosted at very cheap rates. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to manage, and it's saying that domain status not pointing to our name servers, which means this domain marketing tools, which is marketing tools host.com, is not hosted in the Hostinger account. So how do we do it? So for that we will go to our Namecheap account. So this is my account currently, and then what we will go and do is we're going to go to account, and then we'll go to domain list. So once we go to domain list, we will be able to see that all the domains which we have purchased. So I go to manage. So this is how you go to your manage thing, and then you will see this name servers value. So you go to custom DNS. This is the so once you go to I'll show you again what exactly I'm doing. So this is my domain name, which is marketingtools host.com. So I'll go to my account. From account, my account, you go to the domain list. So once you go to the domain list, a page like this will appear. Okay, and there will be an option over here where it will say manage. Go to manage, and then in the domain section, you will have other name servers details. So what you will have to do is you will make it as custom DNS. Then this name 1, name 2 server will come. So what you wanna do is you're gonna just copy, and you're gonna paste the first name server, and again the second name server will copy, and then there is a green tick mark over here, and then you just have to save. So the moment you save it, you will just have to see whether in the advanced DNS whether everything is proper or not. That's okay. Domain is there. So now you just go to so we will actually refresh this, and we will check. If it is done, then it will say hooray. It's still not pointing. So we will just go to our Namecheap again, and now since we have already done the name server, nothing much to do. We'll have to wait for our this thing to get updated. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just check marketing tools host.com. We'll just check into dns.com, where is the it is pointing over here. It's already done. So but our hosting, see, now it has actually taken. So so now it has taken. So now what we will do is we will build a WordPress website on it. So in the Hostinger, we will go to auto installer. So once you go to auto installer, so there will be a list of installed application which will come on this thing. So there are sites which are made from WordPress. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on WordPress. Okay, it's a very easy method of doing it. So we will do that way. So let the details come. So let the installation details come. So once you do this, you will so this is your domain name. I want to change this administrator username as marketing tools host. Okay, I'll just give my password. Any password that you feel you want to give it, you need to change your this thing. So yeah, and so this is the website title which I'm gonna go ahead with. So turn off the automatic updates, automatic application updates, since you know you can always do it manually, and you can always check on which are the things. So you just cross check once everything, whatever you have mentioned is right or wrong, and then just click install. Wait for it till the time it gets installed. So once it gets installed, you can see it is there as marketingtoolshost.com. So you'll have to click over here and open it into a new tab. So you'll see your WordPress website is there. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna /WP admin, and then you are into your this thing. So as we said, we have set our username as marketing tool host, and then I will use my password, and then I will just log in. The moment I log in, I'll get into my dashboard. So this is my dashboard, and I'll talk about it about the WordPress in my next video. And thank you for watching this video.